it's impossible to have this success if you do not know what that failure is before. There is one exercise where you are starting to just close the fist and then start clenching them. So, and now you are supposed to hold this position for, let's say, 4 minutes. 4 minutes under pressure. So this one, not just like waiting, yeah. So 4 minutes full power. But what I want to achieve by that is relaxation. So if somebody would ask me, so what are you doing there? I would call them, it's a relaxation exercise. But this doesn't look like relaxation exercise. But the point is, after you are 4 minutes like this, when you then stop it, now the real relaxation comes. Yeah. But why do you now have this type of relaxation? Because before you were spending a lot of time facing the tension. So what we do is tension. What we get is relaxation. You want to know what is spiritual. You don't approach spirituality. You want to know what is spiritual, figure out what is the physical. Then you will get to there. You want to know what is like left. Don't approach left. Figure out what is right. Yeah? And in such way, this is also like something counterintuitive. But that is one of the methods. This is why you want freedom, we want freedom, yes, but how do we live? Structured, rules, walls, all of this. That doesn't look like this would be free. Yes, you want freedom, face the structure, face the hard discipline. Because if inside this hard structured form, you are able to have the freedom, you feel free inside this hard form, that is the freedom. But to always directly approach what you want is the wrong way. Why? Because it is one-sided. Because it is only one-sided. You want success, you directly try to approach success. Yeah, but it's impossible to have this success if you do not know what that failure is before. So now the question is, how do you make this both? How can you have this wide view of incorporating everything that is involved in it? You need to find a way how to always embrace everything that is involved into it. And that's why we say relaxation and tension, they both belong together. That's why there's no way. I need to know both of them. This is not about if you want or not. You need both of them. Of course we want to have spiritual development, but how do we get there? By figuring out what is at the moment really accessible to me, my body. Because this is nothing about imagining, this is nothing about fantasizing. Your body is something that is available to you 24 hours every day. So therefore, because it is so close to me, I can learn from it. So we go from the physical to the spiritual.